Hi, welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to show you how I make oatmeal. And I can tell you I've been eating this oatmeal for quite a while here during the pandemic. It definitely helps prevent COVID-19 better than injecting bleach. So I'm going to go over the ingredients, and one of the main ingredients in the oatmeal is oatmeal. And here I have about 1 1/3 cups of oatmeal. I'm making this for 2 people that like oatmeal a lot. So it's 1 1/3 cups of oatmeal is one of my ingredients. We use organic rolled oats. Another of the 2 ingredients that I use that are particularly good for healthy immune system are about a small finger's worth of ginger. You can see how small that is. And 3 cloves of garlic. I will be chopping these up. And I also use about a large heaping teaspoon of miso. You could use any kind of miso you like. The other ingredients I add are a bunch of spices. Cinnamon, which is actually ground cinnamon stick. Some red pepper flakes. Sometimes I'd use jalapeno pepper, fresh. A little bit of curry powder. This is homemade, but you can use regular curry powder. I have a recipe for making your own curry powder.
A little bit of ground turmeric. I store mine in an arbitrary jar. You can also use fresh turmeric.
Some fresh peppercorns to ground in. Some chia seeds. Some sunflower seeds. And some almonds. And of course water. So here we go. So first I'm going to add a bit of turmeric. And again, everything is arbitrary. You add as much as you like. You could use fresh turmeric and just chop it up. This is turmeric powder. I'm just adding, a scant teaspoon if you'd like. And whenever I use turmeric in anything, I always use fresh peppercorns ground up. So that's what I'm doing here, is I'm grinding some pepper in here. Good amount, very good for your immune system as well. Tiny bit of curry powder, why not? And again, I have a recipe for making your own curry powder on CB99 videos, which if you're not subscribed, you might enjoy subscribing. There's some sunflower seeds. I'm going to throw in a good number, just cover the top of the dish. I'm going to put in a few red pepper flakes, not too many, just a little bit of heat, it's always nice. Fresh ground cinnamon, which I ground and put into here. That's why it makes all that noise. My ginger and my garlic. I am going to put my almonds in. I am going to put my chia seeds. In fact, I'll put my chia seeds in first. About a heaping scoop, tablespoon. And for almonds, I usually put in like 1 or 2 handfuls. The final ingredient is the miso, and there I take a spoon. Sometimes I put a little less than this, but this is fine. So it's a heaping teaspoon. I put it in. I usually take one of the almonds to scrape off the extra miso. And because I have these extra ingredients, I'm adding 3 cups of water to this. Here I go. 1, 2, 3. So you'd like to do 2 to 1 on the water, and I put in 1 1/2 cups of oats in here. But it's a little under that, but I have extra ingredients, so I always put in a little extra water. So 3 cups. Okay, so now you have all your ingredients in there. All you need to do is put it into the microwave. I use power level 4 for 9 minutes and 99 seconds. And I'll explain why. So I put it in power level 4. Power level 4, and I just press 999 and start, and it goes. And the reason that I do 9 minutes and 99 seconds is because it's the easiest thing to press. You could do 899, 999, but roughly that amount of time at power level 4. This, we have found, is the magic power level so that it doesn't spill over as it's cooking slowly. All right, we'll catch you in about 11 minutes. Okay, it's done. So let's see what it looks like. So things are not mixed up in here yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a big spoon and I'm going to stir it around so that I can get the miso mixed in thoroughly and all the spices. You could stir things before you cook it, but there's really no point in doing that, so I don't usually do that. So they got the chia seeds and they're mixing in. So this is a hearty breakfast for two, is what you're seeing here. I'm going to take the other spoon that I used. Now, mixing in the rest of that miso that was left over on the spoon, if there is any, that you didn't get off with the almonds. See, it's on the sticky side. Sometimes I add a little extra water, and sometimes it comes out a little more watery. It's, you know, depends on your preference. So this is really quite a good consistency. And now, I'm going to spoon about half of it into an extra bowl. Okay, so those are our 2 bowls of oatmeal, special immune system booster oatmeal from Carla's Kitchen. And now I'm going to add a little bit of nutritional yeast, because we always enjoy a little bit of nutritional yeast as for flavor as well as for B vitamins on our cereal. Okay, voila. We're going to give it a taste test, and I hope you enjoy it. So, Claude, you going to taste this oatmeal with me?
Yes, it looks really good. I'm so excited.
Let's try it out.
Okay. Mmm, so yummy.
Really good?
Mmm, really, really good.
Thanks, Claude. And please subscribe to CB99 videos. Hope you liked the video.